morning, student. Today we are going to discuss computer based on purpose. Depending upon the purpose of use, the computer can be general purpose or a special purpose. General purpose computer can be used for general needs of all environment and users. They are versatile computers that can perform variety of jobs for variety of environments. For example, a personal computer can be capable of calculating accounts data, preparing students' result, designing brochures, writing letters, accessing internet or playing games. This shows that general purpose computers can perform variety of jobs. Special purpose computers are designed to perform a specific task in a specific environment. They are designed to perform only a specific task, not the other task. Trajectory of a missile can be used for this purpose only, and we cannot use it for playing games. Computers based on technology are classified into three types. First one, digital computers. Second one, analog computer. Third one is hybrid computers. Digital computers are mainly general purpose computers that represent the data and store the data in discrete quantities or numbers. In these computers, all processing is done in terms of numeric representations, that is binary digits. The users enters data in decimal or character form, then they are converted into binary digit, zeros and ones form. Some examples of digital computers are PCs, laptops, palm tops, PDA and etc. There are several types of PCs such as desktop PCs, tower PCs, laptops or notebook, and personal digital assistant, that is PDA. These computers can be used as a standalone machine or connected to a network. Desktop PCs sits on a desk with keyboard in front and a screen on top. Tower PCs sits as a tower on the floor besides a desk, thus freeing up desk surface. Notebook computers are also called laptop computers. They are lightweight portable computers with built-in monitor, keyboard, hard disk drive, battery and AC adapter. And these computers are easy to carry. Personal digital assistants, that is PDAs, are also called handheld computers or palm tops. They are used as personal organization tools such as schedule planning, address books, to-do lists. We can send email and faxes. Also, they have touch sensitive screens. PDA make it easier for people to do business and communicate while traveling. Analog computers are special purpose computers that represent and store data in continuously varying physical quantities such as current, voltage or frequencies. They are programmed for measuring physical quantities like pressures, temperature, speed, etc. They are mainly used for scientific and engineering applications. Some examples are thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. In thermometer, mercury moves up or down as the temperature varies. Speedometer, used in car or bikes, where the position of the needle on dial represents the speed of the car or bike. Analog computers have some limitations, such as they do not have logical facilities afforded by programming. They do not have the ability to store data in larger quantities. Cost of implementation of computer is very high. Hybrid computers. These computers have both the technology of analog and digital computers. These computers store and process analog signals which is further converted into discrete numbers using analog to digital converters. They can also convert the digital number into analog signal using digital to analog converters. These computers are mainly used in artificial intelligence and computer aided manufacturing. ATM, automated teller machine, is an example of hybrid computers. ATM is a self-service banking machine that is connected through a telephone network to a central computer. ATMs are used to withdraw cash, deposit cash, or check balance inquiry, and for many for other banking services. Classification of computers based on size and capacity. Computers are classified into different types depending on the memory size, cost, and processing speed. As we see in the diagram, every computer has central processor, secondary storage, and input and output devices. On that basis, computer can be classified into three subgroups. First one, personal information system. Second one, work group system. Third one, organization wide system. Microcomputers or PCs, laptops, notebooks, handheld computers, pen-based computers are type of personal information system. Mini or mid-range computers are the type of work group system, whereas mainframes and supercomputers are the type of organization-wide systems. Supercomputers are bigger in size. They are most expensive than the other computers. These computers are especially used by the governments for different calculations and heavy jobs, and by the different industries for designing their products. These computers are also used in Hollywood movies for making animations. They are also helpful for forecasting weather reports worldwide. Some examples of supercomputers are Ray 3, High-Tech S3000, etc. Param and Anurag are a series of supercomputers for India which is developed by CDAC. Mainframes computers are also a giant computer after the supercomputers. They can process millions of instructions per second and capable of accessing billions of data. They are mainly used in hospitals, airline reservation companies, and by many other huge companies. Examples of mainframe computers are IBM 3000 series and UNIVAC 1180. Mini computers are mainly used in a small organization, and they are preferred by a small type of business professionals, colleges, etc. Some examples of mini computers are VAX 11, PDP 1142, Wipro Landmark 860, etc. Personal computers. We all are familiar with the personal computers. Most of the users prefer personal computers for their basic needs. They are smaller in size and less expensive than the previous computers. Some examples of personal computers are desktops, portables. There are mainly two types of personal computers. First one is desktop, second one is portables. Some examples of personal computers are IBM PC, PS2, Apple II, Macintosh. Notebook computers. Notebook computers are smaller in size and lighter in weight, so it is easy to carry anywhere. These computers are preferred by students and business people to meet their assignments and other necessary tasks. It can store the same amount of data and has a memory of the same size as that of personal computers. So the major difference between the personal computers and notebooks are their weight, cost, and their size. In the next class, we will discuss basics of computer and its operation. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.